Okay, action. Hey you guys, it's me, Harley J, and I've been wanting to make this video that I'm making right now, and you're watching for a long time, and since you see the title, you kind of know what it's about. And yeah, so it's about wearing a mask, and also how you can incorporate filmmaking with that. And I'm kind of doing it right now. So, let me just tell you. So, the first thing you want to do is if you're at home, you want to download Snap Camera, which is basically Snapchat camera. It's called Snap Camera. You want to download it on your computer, and then you can put on the mask, a virtual mask like this, or like this, or like this. Not like this, not like this, not like this, not like this. But I just did that all through Snap Camera. And you can download that, get on your Zoom meetings, make your videos, and talk about wearing a mask as you wear a mask that I am. So, and I just want people to wear a mask because it's safe and it really helps the environment and helps other people in the world. So yeah, I just want to put that out there, and I want to tell you guys, wear a mask. It's the best thing to do. So yeah, thank you. One last time, you guys, do when I'm not doing, wear a mask like this.